Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Next, question number 14. Mention the function of the following: ureters in the frog, Malpighian tubules and body wall in earthworm. सबसे पहले ureters in frog. Ureters are or is a urinogenital duct which carries, क्या कैरी करता है? Sperm and urine in male frogs. Next is Malpighian tubules. Malpighian tubules are excretory organs in cockroaches. Body wall in earthworm. Body wall in earthworm consists of muscle layers which helps in the movement and burrowing. So ureters in frog ने क्या किया? urinogenital duct है जो कैरी करती है sperm and urine. Malpighian tubules are excretory organs और body wall क्या करती है? मूवमेंट और burrowing में हेल्प करती है.